everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and I am also well. So today I am back with my learning videos as I promised you in my last video, and today I will teach you the most basic and the most important subject for each and every language, so that is the alphabet. So today we will learn the French alphabet and their pronunciations as well. So the French alphabet, it's absolutely the similar kind with the English alphabet. Okay, so the pronunciation will be different, and I will teach you how to pronounce that ABCD in English and the ABCD in French. Okay, so I will show you the total the chart of the total 26 of alphabet in French and their pronunciation. So the alphabet in English, which we call the les alphabets in French. So the alphabet will pronounce les alphabets in French. Les alphabets. Okay. A. That is A. Okay. B. S. Don't worry, I will repeat once again for you. Okay. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Okay, so les alphabets, that means the alphabets, and these are A, B, S, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. One more time for you. A, B, S, D, E, F, G, Ash, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so today we have learned the French language, the French alphabets, and how to pronounce that alphabets in French, and how to understand the pronunciation difference between French and English, right? So that's all for today's class, and we will see you soon in the next videos with the other learning French language. Okay, till then, thank you so much for watching this and have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.